what has been the match has been made the difference for you this season?
It's all about teamwork. I'm new to the team, so they say that not to panic or nothing, just to relax and just train and come. Yeah.
Feel like you got very comfortable. Obviously, you're into the semi-finals, but I know that obviously your conversation with Harold Thomas, a very good relationship with Dumbo Holden. But in terms of for you personally, what does it mean for you to be back in another semi-final?
Well, we have to just keep the focus, and we have to just follow the coach instruction. Just go and do the job.
You feel that this, considering Mount Pleasant's kind of frailties in playoff seasons past, do you feel that this is the year with you and the team, with Trevante Stewart climbing all cylinders? Do you feel that you have a real chance of making a very, very big statement and a very deep playoff run this year?
Well, this is a history making for the club. First time in history of the club going to the semi-final, so we have to give thanks to the coach. Yeah.
No problem.
All right, Alan.